Hello, good morning, student. Today we have start the new chapter and the name of chapter is role of government in healthcare में किस तरीके का रोल है गवर्नमेंट का, उसके बारे में देखेंगे। एक्ट ऑफ टूरिज्म और मूविंग फ्रॉम वन कंट्री टू अनदर सीकिंग स्पेशलाइज्ड और इकोनॉमिकली हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज नोन एज मेडिकल टूरिज्म। हेल्थ अकॉर्डिंग टू वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन WHO, health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. In a healthy person, all the organ and the system function properly and balance is maintained between the environment and the body. Health has three dimensions. हेल्थ की तीन तरह के डायमेंशन है। देखिए, these are physical health which involves perfect functioning of all the organs and system of the body. Mental health which means a state of harmony and balance between the individual and his surrounding. Social health meaning a person having a good job, good house, a happy family, good neighbors and surrounding friends. अब देखिए, रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन हेल्थ केयर में क्या रोल है गवर्नमेंट का। एजुकेशन डेवलप्स द मेंटल आउटलुक एंड कैपेबिलिटी इन द पर्सन, कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ द पर्सन एंड काइंडनेस, क्रिएटिव स्किल, while health tones up physical ability and stamina. That is why public health form an important constituent of the social infrastructure. Sir Joseph Bore had established well-organized health service under Health Survey and Development Committee 1943. India became independent in 1947, and after that it turned out to be one of the pioneer nations in providing medical facility to all. Focusing on primary health care, considerable change took place in different services related to health, family welfare, and nutrition. Today, we possess a widespread network of government, voluntary, and private health infrastructure. According to Constitution of India, it is primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide health care facility to all. Government had established a three-tier medical system. See in the box. देखिए, थ्री टायर मेडिकल सिस्टम है, प्राइमरी मेडिकल, फिर सेकेंडरी और फिर टर्शरी। इस तरीके के थ्री टायर जो है हमारी मेडिकल फैसिलिटी जो है इन तीनों पे काम कर रही है। देखिए, प्राइमरी हेल्थ जो है वो प्राइमरी मेडिकल केयर जो है वो क्या है। सिस्टम प्रोवाइड अ डायरेक्ट लिंक बिटवीन पीपल एंड मेडिकल फैसिलिटी एट द ग्रोथ रूट लेवल, दैट इज़ विलेज एंड टाउन में जो हेल्थ सेंटर हैं उनको प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर बोलते हैं। Primary Health Center (PHC) deals with the most basic medical facility, giving integrated preventive, curative, and rehabilitative medical service to people, and act as an instrument for implementing all government programs relating to health and family welfare. Community Health Center (CSC) also form a part of primary level medical care system. Cases found most complicated by PHCs are referred to CHCs. The district hospital form the secondary medical care center. Hospital and institution meant for particular disease and specialized field only constitute. Tertiary medical care system of health infrastructure. After independence, remarkable progress has been made in the healthcare infrastructure facility. However, the number of PHC and CSC and tertiary healthcare centers are not sufficient for growing Indians' population. Government has played a remarkable role in providing and implementing healthcare facility to fight communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Expansion of better and advanced medical facility has led to considerable improvement in the health status of our population. Death rate, particularly infant and child mortality rate, have fallen appreciably. Government provides public health care facility to people. There are two types of healthcare facility available in India. These are public health care facility, private health care facilities. Public health care facility जो है are provided by the government. They provide health service at very low or nominal cost. It is focused on checking चेकिंग प्रिवेंटिव ऑफ द स्प्रेड ऑफ वेरियस डेडली डिजीज को चेक करने के लिए होती है, ठीक है। द प्राइवेट हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी आर प्रोवाइड बाय प्राइवेट इंडिविजुअल और कंपनीज और रिटायर्ड डॉक्टर्स. They open their own hospital and nursing homes to provide medical facility. Large companies are investing huge money for opening big hospital and pharmaceutical industry. This privately owned hospital and nursing home charge a huge amount from the patient for curing their disease. इस तरीके से मेजर पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर प्रोग्राम्स जो हैं, यूनिवर्सल इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम जो है, द कवरेज ऑफ द प्रोग्राम फर्स्ट लॉन्च इन द अर्बन एरिया in 1985 was progressively extended to cover the entire country by 1990. Between 1988 and 2006, there has been a decline in 6 deadly diseases such as diphtheria, smallpox, pertussis, measles, neonatal tetanus, and poliomyelitis. Hepatitis V vaccine program, which was started in 2002 in 33 districts and 15 cities as a pilot project, has been expanded to all districts of states showing good performance. Vaccination against Japanese GE was started in 2006 and by 2040, its adult vaccine was introduced in 179 and being distributed in 9 स्टेट. इस तरीके से जो है हेल्थ केयर प्रोग्राम चला के जो है डिजीज़ को कंट्रोल किया. ओके, तो हम कह सकते हैं जो है पब्लिक अगर हेल्दी रहेगी तो हम क्या अपनी डेवलपमेंट अपना कर सकते हैं. इस तरीके से जो है गवर्नमेंट ने जो है इम्यूनाइजेशन की जो है वैक्सीनेशन की फैसिलिटी देके और डिजीज़ को कंट्रोल किया है, ठीक है. और हमारे जो है हेल्थ सेंटर जो है रूरल और अर्बन एरिया में भी जो है अच्छा, जैसे पल्स अच्छा कर रखा है, पल्स पोलियो इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम देखिए. तो इस तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं कि हम ऐसा करके और जो है डिजीज़ को हरा सकते हैं. थैंक यू. आगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.